Hello everybody, welcome back to Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily use a Brickpress in Schedule 1. First, let me head to my apartment, and here we have the Brickpress. Now here we need to put 20 of the product for it to work, and now we need to pour the product. You do it the same as you did with the seed. And now you need to rotate the handle quickly to press the product. And as you guys can see, 20 Granddaddy Purples are now in a brick. So now let me repeat the process. And let me show you how you can easily sell that or give that to your dealers. So as you guys can see, now I've got 4 bricks. Now this will be my 4th one. So let me quickly get it in here. It seems like I can't, so let me just restart the process. Now it's okay. And as you guys can see, we got 80 more to go. And this is how you can easily use a Brickpress. Now let me do that 2 more times and show you how you can easily give that to your dealers. Now, we've all heard the myth that you need to leave some space for the dealers in their inventories so they can convert it to baggies or jars, but it's not true, so we can fill them up as much as we want. Now let me locate a dealer and let me give it to him. Basically, 1 brick is like 20 of these, so this should be no problem. Let me collect the earnings first, and as you guys can see, here we have the bricks, the jars, and here we have the baggies. So now we can give that to Benji, and let's visit another dealer. And here we can give it to him too. As you guys can see, he already has 20 of those bricks. And this is how you can easily use a Brickpress and how you can easily use those bricks. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.